Welcome to my channel, Little Learner Club for Beginners. One turtle and tortoise facts. Hi Dad! Guess what I learned at school today? What did you learn, son? Today I learned about our family. Dad, it is true that we tortoises are reptiles? Yes, son, that's right. What else did you learn about our family? I learned that reptiles are cold-blooded, which means they get warm from the sun or water. We also have dry, skinny skin. Most of us have 4 legs. However, some cousins, like snakes, do not. That's right, son. Oh yes, many of us lay eggs, but some have live babies. Reptiles have backbones just like us. Yes, you seem happy learning about our family. It's very big, with many cousins. Want to visit them? Yes, that would be wonderful. Great! Tomorrow we will go on a jungle safari to see our cousins. Wow! Can't wait! All reptiles are divided into different groups, such as lizards, snakes, crocodiles, tortoises, and tortoise. Tortoise, that us, isn't it? Yes, come let's learn more about us. Look, that's a turtle. It's look just like us. Oh yes, Dad. Tortoises live on land, while turtles mostly live on water. Turtles have webbed feet for swimming, but tortoises have round feet for walking on land. Wow! I never knew that. It's exciting to learn about our family and the different kinds of reptiles. Exploring and discovering more about our relatives can be a fun adventure. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel, Little Learners Club for Beginners.